So guys, how to fix no internet connectivity when hotspot is unable in Windows 10. So this problem guys, the a lot of facing in the Windows 11. So how to fix guys, I suggest you. So guys, this problem facing by this update. So Windows 11 KB 505537 this update launch, and more than issues and bugs, mostly issues the related for internet. So how to fix guys, you clicked on Windows start button, no start button, type control panel, con control panel, view by category, and uninstall program, view install update. So guys, I already installed because for testing. So you select like this and click to uninstall and then yes. So guys, when finish, so restart. I have 2 to 3 more steps, so please wait. Okay, now this is finished, and then second. So guys, when finish this update, so you disconnect your LAN internet cable and then restart and then check again, showing same problem. So comment me, I will support you.